Alright guys, check this out. What we got here is a BMW X3 2019, now installed with factory style CarPlay on the original screen. So this vehicle, even being a 2019, did not come with CarPlay, and what we've done is we've added it to the original screen. So as you can see, we've not changed anything. Press down and hold the back button. We'll switch over to the CarPlay system. It is fully wireless, so no wires are needed. Full wireless CarPlay, or Android Auto if you've got an Android phone will come up on here. You can use your original controller to control the system. All supported apps will come up on here. The sound also is linked to your original system, so we've got Kiss playing there.
In 2023, out of contract on superfast fibre, double your speed and save on average £125.
So the sound comes to your original screen, and you can always switch back to your original system as well. You can see. If you want this installed on yours, if you give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Sound Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG2 6UA. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys.